What's going on, guys? Old Dirty Cougar here. Just pulling off everything to start removing the slapper bars, and then we're gonna put on the caltracs. So we got Garage Boy out here today, and I'm gonna have him do most of the work and see what happens. There's the old slapper bar off now. And there's the second off. I'll drop the leaves down now. Got the bottom plate off. All right, center bushing is out now. Now we're gonna try and push out the rubber. All right, well, got the collar out. Ended up taking the saw, just running a line down it, bending it in, and then being able to knock it out. All right, well, got that one in with the help of a vise. Should have put the bushing into the freezer first. So I got the other one in there now, so it should be easier. I've got the leaf spring back up now. Just waiting on U-bolts to come, and then I can put the shock mount on there. Got the caltracs on, so everything's pretty much set up. Well, she's back down on the ground.